Hey, what's going on? This is your boy B. Welcome to another episode. And on this episode, we're going to talk about magnesium. Can magnesium boost growth? Before we get into that, make sure you guys subscribe, hit the notification bell. If you're looking for products or anything of that nature, it will be down in the description. Now that we got that off the table, let's get right into it. So, can magnesium boost beard growth? Well, according to the National Institute of Health, so you can go and Google the National Institute of Health, over 60% of people in the US consume less than the recommended daily allowance of magnesium. All right, so you guys can go and fact check that and do your homework on that. So let's go over 3 reasons why guys may not be seeing their beard growth potential. And one, it can be because of calcium buildup. Calcium buildup clogs your follicles. It really begins to cake around the arteries, within the arteries, and it makes it very difficult for blood to go back and forth. So the dormant hairs are not allowed to sprout because of the clogged and buildup from the follicles. Number two is protein synthesis. What do you mean by protein synthesis, B? Well, if you have better protein synthesis, you'll have a healthier beard growth. So if the protein, which, you know, we all know, or we should know, that beard growth is due to enzymes and proteins. And if you can synthesize proteins better, which that's what magnesium helps with. If you can synthesize that protein better, then each hair strand, as you can see, is made of protein, keratin, protein, break it down to amino acids, then you will have greater growth. And then the third thing, circulation improvement. Magnesium is going to help with helping you to get those minerals and vitamins that are necessary to the follicle, so the follicle can be nourished like a plant that's in the soil and it can sprout like a tree. Basic, simple, there you have it, okay? If you're not getting other nutrients, if you're not getting this particular nutrients in your diet, then you're not getting any other nutrient that's going to be able to help nourish those follicles. All right, so can you get magnesium back into your diet? All right, well, first and foremost, I would always recommend people go visit your doctor. I'm not a doctor, so go visit your doctor and see if you are magnesium deficient. And then once you are able to identify if you are magnesium deficient, now we can begin to come up with a solution. So here are ways you can get magnesium back into your diet. Number 1, magnesium oil. I've read that magnesium oil is actually the best way, they've said, to get magnesium into your body with the oil. You can also take a salt bath. You can also do that, Epsom salt. Number 2, organic leafy greens. I can't say this enough, and I'm gonna keep saying it. You can't go wrong with that. That's kale, spinach. We're talking about turnips, greens. You cannot go wrong with keeping this in your diet. Number 3, fatty fish. All right, fatty fish. You can get magnesium. Now, if you are vegan, vegetarian, then you can just find a plant-based version of that, so that way you're not consuming any fatty fish. And then number 4, pumpkin seeds. I am an advocate of pumpkin seeds. I have pumpkin seeds like every other day in my salad. Pumpkin seeds is going to help with the nourishment of that beard, and also they are tasteful. All right. And number 5, legumes. Get legumes in your diet. You know, get some beans in your diet, okay? And make sure that you're doing this on a daily basis. So these are just 5 quick ways to get this magnesium right back into your diet. You know, again, go see a doctor, identify if you are deficient. And if you are deficient, then now you know some solutions, some steps you can take to make sure that you can see your beard potential growth. Well, guys, I hope that you guys enjoy that. Please leave a comment down below. And also, again, subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Share this around the community. And again, if you are trying to figure out where you can get magnesium, you can go to Amazon.com or Walmart.com or go to your local vitamin store and ask for magnesium, and voila, you will be able to get some magnesium. But again, talk to your doctor first and see if you are deficient in magnesium. All right. Well, this is your boy B. As always, we out.